Approximately where is this community that is being evacuated, Nick?
Well, Grant, Covered Bridge Canyon is several miles southeast of Spanish Fork, northwest of Thistle. It was under pre-evacuation order until just a short while ago when officials saw it necessary to tell those people they need to get out.
That's Bald Mountain. It's beautiful. Last night you could see the flames like over the ridge of the mountain. I guess it's from August. They had a fire. It started there from lightning. My name's Brady Butler. I'm with Any Hour in the tune-up department. So it's 8:27. We're headed to Springville to do a tune-up on what appears to be a year-old unit, maybe a little less, she's not quite sure. We're doing a tune-up, which consists of just ensuring that everything is running and functioning properly. If there's any problems, code concerns, we notify them, and if they want to do something about it, then great. If not, as long as the system is running, then we're good to go. Let's do this. Hello, how are you? Just so you know what to expect for today, though, so we're here for the tune-up, which means we'll do a thorough evaluation of the system. If there's anything that needs your attention during that process, is it okay to make you aware of that? And then if we need to sit down and go over anything, then we can. We don't do anything without your approval, though. And then I'm here to provide you with a 5-star service. So if at any point I fall below that, will you please let me know?
Okay.
Okay. So we're checking for gas. It's a small leak on that valve. So part of the tune-up is to wipe down the exterior. I just wipe down wherever I can, easily access as well. So this is just checking to make sure that the capacitor is going to start the motor and the compressor. Surprisingly enough, I get that question a lot. I'm going to do door hangers. We left them options, so she's going to talk to her husband and she'll give a call back if she has questions or would like us to go forward with the work. But as of now, she's happy. She's got a filter, the system's running, and yeah, she said she's happy. So we're headed to American Fork now to do an air conditioner tune-up for what appears to be a first-time customer again. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. He's nice.
Tune-ups, you're just there to maintain the equipment, and so you're not there for a specific need all the time, or problem. It's there to more prevent problems. So when we do a service call, if there's something broken, we do a general tune-up on it as well, checking those things to make sure they're not going to break down in the future. So that's how it is. So
Yeah, that does look pretty dirty.
yeah, you got a little bit of dirt build up on it, and then this is the lower
Oh, yep.
see he's got quite a bit of build up on it. Shouldn't be too much longer. I'll just check the refrigerant, go grab my gauges, and then we'll wrap her up. When I was installing, I treat it the same way as I'm checking the system, as if it was my own system or a family member. I do it how I would want it done on every job. So I don't want to miss something. I don't want something to break down after I left. You know, whether they know about it and they choose not to do it is one thing, but I don't want it to break down because I missed something. So I feel like I'm very thorough. I pride myself on being a little more thorough than most. I think any hour does a wonderful job at that, as far as the win-win-win philosophy. The customer wins, which I think is most important to start with, and then we win by, you know, they compensate us and they do fun trips. We just did the Provo Beach Resort for our whole family. A blast. It's always a fun time to go and do that stuff. And then last of all, the company wins. So I think that's where they stand above other companies. Thanks for riding. That's my day. I'm gonna go get changed and go to my daughter's soccer game. Have a good one.